welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So love, today's video is going to be, I'm going to be showing you guys how much YouTube pay me as a small content creator. Okay, I have a second channel where I create hair content, so I'm going to be showing you guys how much YouTube pay me as a small content creator with a small view. All right, with a small view. So if this is what you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. This kind of content will be coming maybe once in a blue moon. Okay, when I see there's a shocking result in my hair channel, I'll bring it out and share the tips with you guys. So in this particular channel, it's all about vlogging, but I'll bring out just small different stuff. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Guys, let's dive into today's one. You're going to benefit and you're going to be shocked. Maybe you'll be shocked, but for me, I'm quite shocked because it's a small channel. So let's get started. So love, I'm going to be sharing the screen, okay, where this thing is going to be. So when I get to my hair channel, let me video record, starts recording it. So I have 1,759 subscribers. That's why I said it's a small channel. Okay, so that is what I have, and a particular video where I'll be showing you guys, it's a video I uploaded like three weeks ago. Okay, this 6 months natural hair, 6 month mini braids challenge update, pros and cons of this mini braids. I hope this is recorded. Okay, it's recorded. Pros and cons of mini braids and the rest. So I uploaded this video like on the 16th of January, that's 3 weeks back. Okay, so initially when I uploaded this video, the view was just there, was not really catching, but as time goes on it started catching. So right now the video has 2,300 and something views. Okay, the impression click rate through is 5.2% and the average duration is 5.53, which is nice, which is awesome for hair channel. Initially why I stopped creating hair tutorials in this my vlog channel is because mostly anytime I create hair tutorials, I will get like dual retention at like 2 or 1 or 0.59. so I was like, this is kind of harming my channel. Okay, so that's why I stopped creating hair tutorial. Okay, so I decided to open a new channel, okay, and be creating hair tutorial right there. Okay, and the hair tutorial channel is naturally Jessie. You can do it to check me out. Okay, so and when we now go to click on the video, I will click on analysis, okay, to check the analysis of the video and everything. Oh my goodness. All right, so the video this video has 2,346 views since it was published. Okay, so if you now go up, like scroll it up, how viewers find this video. Okay, the video was recommended. It was recommended by YouTube, 1.8k recommendation. Okay, and okay, I thought my phone was ringing because I put the phone on silent. And the video has YouTube search engine, other YouTube features, channel page and others. Okay, when you go up to audience retention, it's 5.53, okay, which is 31%. All right, which is good. And when I say it's good for hair channel, I mean it's good for hair channel. Okay, so excuse me, real time people are still watching it, 99 people are still watching it, the video is still being suggested, browser feature, YouTube search, other YouTube features, direct and unknown. I don't know what direct and unknown. So we now go to reach is it has 1.7k unique viewers. The view is 3.3, okay, 22k more than usual. So I say the video is just blowing my mind. Okay, so the click impression click-through rate 52%, impression 34.4k. okay, it has browser features which are so good. Okay, and YouTube search terms. Okay, it has mini braid on natural hair, mini braid challenge, and these are the other people's videos that have been suggesting this my particular video, okay? And somebody put my video on playlist, okay? That's nice. So engagement, we have watch hour. My watch hour is 230, okay, 210 more than usual. See, then it's now okay. See the average view return and duration. So they say 2.38 more than usual, so it's increased. All right, I told you guys in the beginning that normally her channel, what they always watch is 2 minutes max. Is unless people that love you that will watch you more than 2 minutes, but when people that is just viewing you for the first time, they watch it like 2 minutes. So if you now go down, okay, people like it and channel whatever. Okay, so the next one is audience. Okay, returning audience and non-returning audience. This is it. Okay, new viewers. I got new viewers, people that discover me for the first time. I got 1,207 people that discover me for the first time. Then I have unique viewers. Okay, I got 37 subscribers from this video. So in case you see me carrying my neck up, I'm trying to check if the thing is recording, because you watch at the end to find out why I'm checking why the thing is still recording. So I got 37 subscribers from this particular video, which is amazing. All right, which is awesome. So we have type of device that watched me. Okay, mobile TV, laptop and tablet. Ages of people that watched me was from 18 to 54. Then the gender was mostly female. Okay, and the country that watched me, the top country, the 3 top country that watched me was United States, Nigeria and UK. They use English and non-subtitle, and people that watch me more was non-subscribed than people that had subscribed. Okay, so now the cocoa thing now is our revenue, right? Our revenue, I got $7.73. Like that is good. That is for her channel, and with 2,300 view, right? So the video, okay, it says views for 2,200. okay, revenue for each 1k view, okay, it gives me $3.38. all right, and since published I have made $7.54. okay, since published. Okay, we have skippable ads, we have display ads, we have bump ads, we have non-skippable ads, we have unknown. I don't know what they mean by unknown. Okay, so if I click on that this place, okay, so you can see it's very clear. 24 hours. First 24 hours I got 0.66 cents. That is the first 24 hours. And how I wish I got $1 in the first 24 hours. Okay, I would have gotten $4.29 for the first 24 hours. Then let's say 7 days. Let's click on 7 days. How much did I make in 7 days? In 7 days time, I got 242 views. I made $1 in 7 days time. Okay, so you can see how it is. So this is past 3 weeks right now. Okay guys, and I made $7.33 in counting, because if you see that arrow, that waiting mark is still counting. You get, please. So guys, that is how much YouTube pay me as a small content creator. Okay, and it's so amazing that this video got me this $7. Okay, because other of my videos have not gotten $7. Like I don't get up to $7. Maybe I might make up to like $3 and the rest, and it has views. But yet this video is quite different and unique. Is it because of it's longer? You can let me know in the comment section. Is it because of people watch it more, people stay more? You can let me know in the comment section. So sometimes I feel that when you create a longer content, if it's well informative, I think people will stay longer in the video. right? Anyway, so I just wanted to share this small stuff with you all. So let me know, what do you guys think about this particular video. For me, I recommend that if you're a small YouTuber that is starting your channel, start your channel by creating a longer content, build your community, build your audience, and you will definitely thrive. Okay, like this my vlogging channel, there's a lot I've been going on in this channel. I did makeup in this channel, I did how to like dress up, like styling and the rest. If you check from my YouTube now is 5 years. Okay, so if you check this particular channel is 5 years, so if you check from 5 years ago, you see there are different lots of different kind of content. Then I started doing hair channel, and I was like, the viewer retention was just something else. That was what, like, the morale was not to be self-moraling again. I decided to cut down from hair channel, created a new channel, which is the one I just showed you guys how much it would pay me as a small content creator, because I just have 1,700 and something subscribers, which is small, and this is how much it would pay me for just 2K view. Yeah, it's quite surprising, right? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video 8 thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. If you want more of this kind of video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you all my besties in my next one. Bye. Why I don't like using back camera. This is the reason why I don't like using back camera. Do you know that I have been ranting since about this thing I'm doing, this tutorial I wanted to share with you guys, and nothing recorded. My phone was off. Like, I did not know that my phone was off. When I started, I saw my head and I said, okay, something is there. I thought it was recording, not knowing that it was not recording anything. I finished talking audio things I was talking. Nothing sure. Anyway, I'm going to scratch this out, okay? Maybe it might be at the ending of the video, like the whatever, the ending of the video. This, you might watch this part at the end of the video. But anyway, let's start again.